back of the sport minister. I just want to say thank you. And thank you in some moments is a small word to express what I feel inside my heart. Very small. To be part of the sport Ghana family, it's an honor and a privilege for me. Honor. I know, probably most of you know that I have very strong African roots. I was born and raised in Africa, in Mozambique, so to lead this country, an African country, Ghana, during the World Cup, it's an unforgettable memory in my life. So thank you very much. Thank you for your support. To be part of the sport family. If you allow me to say something, because I have a background also in sport and sports science, about football, and we have a major responsibility in that, because you guys are workers, builders of one special thing in the people, which is joy, happiness, and pride. No other minister has this responsibility to create entertainment and bring joy, happiness, and pride for the country. And that is not something that you can see, but it's something that people can feel. So, good luck in your job. Thank you for your support, and to the future of that. Thank you.